Chica Bellas, you're watching Rebecca. She is a personal trainer and she's blonde. She has fair, bright eyelashes. Therefore, I'll show you how to use fake eyelashes and still look normal. You start by doing a natural makeup. So if the makeup is not heavy, if you don't cake up tons of Mac Studio FX on your face, if you will put fake eyelashes on your eye, you will look a bit more normal than if you would wear a full face of makeup with highlighting and everything. Now, this is the base for the eyelashes. The main idea of fake eyelashes is actually that they work as an eyeliner. So they lift the eye by concentrating the dark color on the string of the lashes, and because they curled up, the eye looks lifted. This is what you can do by applying a darker color close to your lash line as well. I was using a different technique that I changed later because this is a technique for deep set eyes, but the main idea is that you concentrate the dark color close to your lash line. That's why I'm adding it now. They're lifting the now I got lost completely. The eyelid up, you see, that's my thumb there, lifting it up so that I can get totally close to the lash line. And here's when I decided to change this look, just concentrating the color close to the lashes in a triangular shape, because if it's like this, it just pulls the eyes up. And by applying it on a lower part, same thing, just pulls the eyes up. Now, I didn't know which color to use because the whole set was so colorful, you know, her hair and then what she was wearing, the background. I used a color that suits everyone. This is a makeup tutorial that each one of you can copy. Go check it in depth on our website with all the products there as well. And now continuing the makeup with dark pencil, so black kohl pencil, totally close to the lash line. That's why I'm pulling the lid even more up so that I can get underneath. And this application you need to be precise with, because this is what will show. You can't blend it later nicely because you already applied an eyeshadow. So this you need to do as a finished look. Also putting it there on the inner waterline. Finishing the look by blending everything together with a lighter color. This is just how you make a nice gradient from bottom, so from the eyelashes up to the brow bone. The motion is like a windshield wipers, you know, just left and right with a fluffy brush. Now the eyelashes, I use these little chunks. They take longer to apply, obviously, because you need to push them under the lid, you see? That's where they stick. That's where they glue together with your natural lashes. And finishing the look just with a concealer. This is actually a highlighter because, as I said, if you wear fake eyelashes and your makeup is more natural, you won't look that fake. Going over with Zoeva's vegan makeup foundation, and lots of times it's ticklish for the girls when I use this brush. Now the blush, adding a bit of color. As I said, don't go full in, you know, it's just keep it simple. Keep it simple. This will add color to her eyes because it's complementary color. She will just look fresh, contouring everything together with the tiny amount of this Topshop's contouring cream, which I, by the way, love because it's taupe, suits everyone. Well, you wouldn't use it on black skin, but you know what I meant. Eyebrows, same here. The whole idea of the eyelashes and that eyeshadow there is to lift the eyes. And same here. You're lifting the eye by adding color on the arch of the brow. If the lips would be all done, let's say if I would do red and nice straight line, the makeup would start looking more fake. That's why just keep it simple. Adding a bit of color. It's usually playing with light and dark and, you know, shades, and then adding a bit of color to the face. This is it. This is how we did the makeup. What I wanted to say is just, if you use fake eyelashes, keep it simple. Don't use those thick fake ones, because you don't notice that she's wearing eyelashes. You didn't notice that she's wearing fake eyelashes, do you? And the look is amazing. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check our website, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.